Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be about how to turn an old style into a cute high puff. If you guys are interested in this video, go ahead and keep watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what other videos you guys want to see, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Alright, so we're going to start off by spraying the front of our hair as well as the back of our hair. If you guys want to know where I got my spray bottle, I actually got it from Sally's. It was about, I want to say maybe $8 or $9, but I'm not 100% sure. So once the top and bottom of our hair is sprayed, I'm going to go in with this Sweet Honey Hair Milk from TGIN. I love this stuff as far as moisturizing my hair. It's amazing. So I just make sure I put that on the top and on the bottom of my hair just to make sure that it's really smooth and make sure it's moisturized, and it'll make it a little easier to slick it down as well. Next, I'm going to go in with the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil Gel just to help smooth down the front and the back. Make sure it has a hold on it and make sure I don't have any flyaways. Now I just go in with my pick and make sure I start fluffing my hair to, one, get rid of the part that's in the middle, and two, the more you fluff, the bigger your puff. So I make sure to fluff just the roots and not fluff like go all the way up to the ends, because then that'll create a lot of frizz and your poof will just be frizzy, and you want to aim for a curly poof, not necessarily a frizzy poof. So you just make sure that you pick only the roots. So once you are done with that, you go in with, I go in with a cut headband. So this was a headband originally, but I just cut it in the middle to make it a tie to make my puffs a little bit easier. So first things first, I start at the back and I kind of begin it as if I'm like beginning to tie a shoelace. And once that's tied or started, then I just push the front up. And as I'm pushing the front up, I also kind of pull the back of it to tighten it, and also move that up a little bit until it forms the puff that I like. So once my puff is formed, I just go ahead and tie it again the exact same way I tied it the first time. So once my puff is formed, I just go ahead and pick it out just to make it a little bit bigger, because if you're like me, I love a big voluminous puff. Is voluminous a word? I think it's a word, but anyways, I like a big puff. So I just go on with my pick and make sure it's all fluffed out and big. Next step, I just go ahead and lay those edges. If y'all know me by now, y'all know I'm either laying my edges with Eco Styler or I'm laying my edges with Edge Booster. But in this case, I laid my edges with the Edge Booster, one of my favorite scents, the light pink bottle, the extra strong shine holding pomade. Love, 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 love this product. So yeah. So this is the final look of my puff. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching.